Today we'll talk about how can you disable show remaining on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, you click on it here. You just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, just click on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go down, you click here on appearance here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you come here to show remaining here. Click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That means here show remaining, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.